Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tonight. So, being the techie of the family, everyone always asks me which phone they should buy next. And I always ask them one question: what is your price range? Because when you have your price range, you can search around for a lot more devices and you can see what all they can do and what they offer up and what are the specs like. So there's a website that helps you with that is called PhoneCurry. So what I do is I always put in the price range and I see what devices are there, and it also gives you ranking based upon the specs and the features of the phone, the negatives and the positives and all. So it gives you a precise and clear picture of what one device can do, and for the price range what is the best device. So then I make a decision and I let my family know. So a lot of my friends ask me that as well, so I thought I could make a video about it. So let's just switch to the laptop right now and I'll show you what the website can do. So guys, we have switched over to the laptop now and we're just going to search for phonecurry.com. So it is a simple website. So right here it says decide which phone to buy in 5 minutes. So that is really great. This website is actually very helpful in finding a phone. So let's say if I want to search for a price range of 10 to 20,000, let's say 20,000, yeah. So see best smartphones. So as you can see, it shows that Poco F1 is the best device, and after that you have Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, Realme 2 Pro. So it gives you best device according to its filters and all. So you can change your sort by over here, best value for money as well, which is still the Poco F1. So if I go over here, it shows that excellent score 72%, value for money 92.1%. It is based upon the features and all. So if you go into the device over here, it will show you what the plus points are and what are the negative points, and displays as well. It gives you a lot more information than you think. And if you go over here, you can also compare devices. So if I go over here into compare devices, it will show you what the differences between the devices are. So as you can see, it does say that the excellent score of Poco F1 is 72.2 and the Asus Zenfone is 59.1. So that is what it shows over here, and there is a lot more over here. So you can change your price range over here, you can choose your OS over here. So if I want to go for iPhone, and obviously there would be no iPhone available in this price range, the iPhone SE and the 5S is really old now, but if I go, it doesn't matter. So it will show me a lot more devices, and it doesn't really have to be the Android or iOS. It will show me KaiOS as well. If I select, doesn't matter over here. So you can also filter upon the quality, brand. So what I do is I actually only search for Samsung and Samsung, MI, these kind of devices that I know provide a good build quality. So what I do is whenever I search for some friends of mine, I select Samsung, Xiaomi must be right over here somewhere, Xiaomi, and devices like these companies generally, so Motorola and all. So I search for these companies, and I don't really like to go with the Asus or Vivo or something. So you can also have the launch date, so the device must be launched in the last 3 months, that you can do. So that is your own convenience, and also it shows me that Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro is a good phone. So there is a lot more thing that you can search it for over here. So that is the website, and it really helps you find your best phone, whatever you want to. So let's say if I want to go for a higher price range phone, so let's say I'm looking for around 50,000, let's say. So let's just select it over here. So it shows me that OnePlus 6T is the best device over here, which I really think the OnePlus is doing a really great job these days. OnePlus devices are the fastest in the world. So it is really great to have a OnePlus device. So it also shows you the reviews of it over here. So full reviews, videos about the device, features and all. So it can show you a lot more than you think. And these are from users and people that are generally buying the devices, and it also shows you where it is available what stores you can buy it from, and what offers are available over here. So that is really great. So this is the website, and it really helps you decide what device you should buy next. So I hope you use this website. It is a really great website. So I hope you best of luck when you buy your next phone. And I think that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chetan Asnaria signing off.